Hello everyone, myself Dr. POOJA BHAMRE welcome you all to the Maths Expert channel of Vedikaa Academy. Yesterday CBSE class 10 2024 exam was held, maths exam was held, and here I have come up with the detailed solution of the MCQ of the set. You can check this particular video and calculate your expected marks in the MCQ. Here I will give you the answer key as well as the detailed solution of CBSE 2024 maths exam. Okay, so let us start with the solution. Okay, so we will start with the set number 1 of question paper code 30/2/1. So in that first MCQ was the value of k for which the system of equations were given has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so the answer is B 2. Now, for infinitely many solutions, we know that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So, just substitute the values and then you will get the value of K is equal to 2. Okay, this was very simple question and I think most of you have done it correctly. Question number 2, you have to find out the coordinates of point P. Now, coordinates of A and B were given and the ratio were given. So, again by using the section formula, you can easily calculate the coordinates of point P. So, here x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly, y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, so in that way, if you calculate the values of x and y, here the x is equal to 13 upon 7 and y is equal to 0. So the coordinates of P are 13 upon 7, 0. So the correct answer is C, 13 upon 7, 0. Okay. Question number 3. The common difference of an AP is given A15 minus A11 is equal to 48. And common difference is asked here. Now we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So in that way, A15 will be equal to A plus 14D and A11 is equal to A plus 10D. So we have just subtracted these two values. So here you can see that A is getting cut. So you will get 4D is equal to 48. So D is equal to 12. Okay, so the correct option is A, 12. Next one, the quadratic equation was given to you and the nature of the roots were asked. Okay, so here you can see that you have to calculate b square minus 4ac. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 as well as c is equal to 1. So if you calculate b square minus 4ac, it is coming out to be minus 3, which is less than 0. And we know that if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the equation has imaginary roots or non-real roots. Okay, so the correct option is D, non-real. Next one, question number 5. HCF is given to you as 40 and LCM is given to you as 252 cross K. Okay, and two numbers were given. You have to find out the value of K. Now we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Here, this particular thing you should know. So just substitute the values and you will get easily the value of K as 1650. So the correct option is A, 1650. I think most of you have done it correctly. It was very simple. Next, question number 6. One figure was given to you and some AD, DB and BC were given to you. It is required to calculate the length of DE. Okay. So from the figure, we can easily know that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So from that, you can easily write down AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC. Okay, so just substitute the given values. Now AB. So AB is equal to 5 plus 2.5, which is equal to 7.5. I think some students may have done mistake here. So here the value of DE is coming out to be 8 centimeter. Okay, so the correct option is C, 8 centimeter. Next one, question number 7. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now we know that sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 as well as cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So when sin theta is equal to cos theta, it is easily known that theta is equal to 45 degree. And the value of sec theta into sin theta was asked. So sec 45 is equal to root 2 and sin 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So if you substitute these two values, you will get the given value as 1. So the correct option is C, 1. Question number 8. Two dice are rolled together. The probability of getting the sum of two numbers to be more than 10. So here we know that only three possible favorable events were there. One is 5, 6, second one is 6, 5, and the third one is 6, 6. So favorable number of events were 3, and we know that when two dice are rolled, total number of events are 36. So required probability is equal to 3 upon 36, which is equal to 1 upon 12. Okay, so the correct option is D, 1 upon 12. Next, question number 9. If alpha and beta are zeros of the given polynomial, you have to find out the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Now, we know that alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a. So, from the given quadratic equation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Similarly, alpha beta, that is product of zeros, is equal to c upon a. So, alpha beta is coming out to be minus 7 upon 5. Now, it is asked to calculate 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So, that is nothing but alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. Okay. So, you just simplify that thing. You will get alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. And if you substitute the above values, you will get the required value as 3 upon 7. So, the correct option is C, 3 upon 7. Question number 10. Perimeters of two similar triangles were given and it is required to calculate PQ upon AB. Now we know that PQ upon AB is equal to perimeter of triangle PQR upon perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, so it was again very easy. So PQ upon AB is equal to 48 upon 56, which is coming out to be 6 upon 7. So the correct option is B, 6 upon 7. Next, question number 11. One figure was given and you have to choose the correct statements. So which two triangles were similar, that you have to choose. So we know that if two chords intersect inside a circle, then product of measure of the segments of chords are equal. Okay, it was given that two chords are intersecting at P inside the circle. So from this we can easily write down AP into PB is equal to CP into PD. So if you rearrange this particular equation, you will get AP upon CP is equal to PD upon PB. And angle APD is equal to angle CPB. These are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So from the SAS criteria of the similarity, triangle ADP is similar to triangle CBP. Right. So the correct option is D. Next, question number 10. Each observation of the data is increased by 2. So the median of the new data. We know that median will also increase by 2. So the correct option is A, increases by 2. Okay. Next one, question number 13. A box contains cards number from 6 to 55. A card is drawn at random from the box. The probability that the drawn card has a number which is a perfect square number. So how many perfect square numbers are there from 6 to 55? So we know that 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. So these 5 perfect square numbers lies between 6 to 55 and total numbers are 50. So the required probability is equal to 5 upon 50, which is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. So the correct option is C, 1 by 10. Question number 14, one figure was given to you and you have to find out the length of AB. Okay, it was again a very simple example. You have to just use the Pythagoras theorem here. We know that from the external point, if two tangents are drawn, the length of two tangents are equal. So PA is equal to 5 centimeter was given, therefore PB is also equal to 5 centimeter. Now triangle APB is a right angle triangle at angle P. So using Pythagoras theorem, AB is coming out to be 5 root 2. So the correct option is B, 5 root 2 centimeter. Next one, question number 15. Rectangle was given to you. four vertices, three vertices are given and fourth one is x comma y. The length of each diagonal. So if you see the figure, you can easily find out that again by using Pythagoras theorem you can easily calculate the length of the diagonal. Here the distance OX is 3 and OY is equal to 4. So using Pythagoras theorem XY is coming out to be 5 units. Okay, so easily you can calculate this by using Pythagoras triplets also. If you know the triplets, then within 10 seconds you may have answered this particular question. Next, question number 16. AP is given to you and you have to find out which term is the 16. So if you solve this for an, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you just substitute the value of an is equal to 16 and it is required to calculate the value of n. So n is coming out to be 16. Okay, so the correct option is B, 16th term is your 16. Next, question number 17, you have to calculate angle CBA. Now, angle CAT is given to as 40 degree. We know that angle subtended by the diameter is 90 degree. Angle ACB is 90 degree. So from that, angle CAB is equal to 50 degree. And again, by using the angle sum property of the triangle, you can calculate angle CBA is equal to 90 minus 50, which is also equal to 40 degree. Okay, so the correct option is D, 40 degree. Question number 18. Teacher wants to know the marks obtained by the maximum number of students. So this was also very simple. Okay, whenever maximum number of students were asked, you have to always calculate the mode. So the correct option is B, mode. Question number 19. Assertion was given to you and reason was given to you. Sin A is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from this you can easily calculate the value of cos square A, which is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So cos square A is equal to 8 upon 9. So cos A is equal to 2 root 2 upon 3. So here we can see that assertion is true and reason is also true, and assertion means reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So your correct option is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. Then question number 20. Cubes of each length 10 centimeter are joined. The total surface area of newly formed cuboid is 1200 centimeter square. Now, if two cubes are joined, their length will become 20 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 10 and height is equal to 10. So TSA of cuboid, if you calculate by using 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, the answer is coming out to be 1000 centimeter square. Okay, so here the assertion is false. Reason, the area of each surface area of a cube of side 10 centimeter is 100 centimeter square. It is the correct statement because if you see the surface of cube, it is in the square shape. Okay, so the reason is correct but assertion is false. So here the correct option is D. Assertion is not true but reason is true. Okay, so in this way we have given the detailed solution of set 1 question paper code 30/2/1. Okay, so I think now you can easily calculate your expected marks. If you like this video, just subscribe this for getting more videos from this. Okay, thank you very much.